Welcome my dear student to my YouTube chemistry class. In this session we have discussed about the solution and the concentration term which is related to it. Keep watching. Welcome my dear student to my YouTube chemistry class. In this session we will discuss about the solution and the term that relate to the solution, the concentration term, that means normality, molality and so on. Before that we have to know what do you mean by solution. So when we made or we mix simply water with certain substance like salt, then the salt we added to a water, this salt is called solute, and the substance to whom the salt is added, that is solvent. So the mixture of solute and solvent forms the solution. So we have to mark the point that when we add certain substances to a solvent, we prepare a solution. So if we add certain substances, so the amount which determine the concentration term, the concentration terms, that means if a solution is concentrated or not, that means the which is related to the solute and solvent also. So we have to know the three things, that means what is the normality of the solution, and what is the molarity of the solution, and what is the molality of the solution. So we will discuss about that particular topic. So first, the normality. The term normality is used the number of gram equivalent of solute, gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution, in liter. That is the normality. That means the number of gram equivalent of solute, the ratio of number of gram equivalent of solute to the volume of solution in liter, that is called normality. So if you see in your laboratory that some acid are written, that the HCl 1NaCl, that is the normality of that HCl, whether the HCl is concentrated or diluted. So for that particular point we have to know what is the normality of the solution. So number of gram equivalent of solute, it is a easy thing, that is the when the solute is expressed, or the equivalent mass of the solute is expressed in gram, that is the gram equivalent of solute. Again we can write the expression as gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in ml into 1000. This is another expression. If the volume of solution is given in the ml, then we can write gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in ml into 1000. So how to find the gram equivalent of solute, we'll discuss later. Second thing, we have to find out the molarity. What do you mean by molarity? So molarity is expressed by capital M So m is equal to number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute. Mark the point, that is the number of moles of solute. Then when we prepare the solution of salt solution, that means the moles of salt in this type of solution. So number of moles of solute by volume of solution. Volume of solution in liter. Then we can find the molarity. Next thing, that if we express in ml, then we can multiply 1000 number of moles of solute by volume of solution in ml into 1000. So how to find the moles of the solute? Suppose we take a solution of 1 liter of solution. Simply we make a solution of 1 liter of solution by adding 5 gram of salt, that is NaCl. Then the moles of the salt in mole, that is, we know the formula, that is, mole is the weight by gram molecular mass. If we made the solution of 5 gram salt in 1 liter of solution, then what is the mole of the NaCl or salt we added to that solution? So that is the weight is given 5 gram, and then we have to write the molecular mass of the NaCl. That means you know the calculation how to find out the molecular mass, that is NaCl 59. So that is the mole of the solute. So molality of a solution. Molality of a solution is the number of, molality is expressed in terms small m, that is number of moles of solute. That means if you made the solution of salt and water, then the number of moles of salt by weight of the solvent. Mark the point, that is the weight of the solvent. That means if you take the solution of salt and water, then we have to write the weight of the solvent, that is weight of the water in kg. If it is given in the gram, then we will simply multiply by 1000. So in this way we will find the normality, molarity and molality also. So I have told that how to find out then we will discuss how to find out the gram equivalent weight, by which we will be able to find out the value of normality. So gram equivalent weight or gram equivalent mass is equal to gram molecular mass by a VF factor. That means if we find out the equivalent mass of a acid, then the VF factor is the basicity. Basicity means what? That means if we suppose take an example of HCl, the number of replaceable hydrogen atom, that means the when it is ionized, we can find out the number of hydrogen that can be replaced is 1. So the basicity of HCl is 1. So the VF factor is 1. Again, for a base, suppose an example of a base NaOH. So in this case, the VF factor is acidity. That means number of replaceable OH minus ion, that is hydroxyl ion. So if we divide the molecular weight by basicity, we can find the gram equivalent weight of acid. And also if we divide the molecular mass or gram molecular mass with acidity, we will find the equivalent mass of this base. So by finding these two factors, that means equivalent weight and also the volume of solution in liter, we can easily calculate the concentration term, that is normality, molarity and molality. So if we try to solve all the problems related to this topic, if it is made difficult to, if any question that difficult you, that you cannot predict the answer, then you can comment in my session, and I will again make another video on that topic. Thank you all.